Fucking dude. Been a month, I don't know. Fucking May was it? Last year, dude. Was it June, July? Fucking July something. July almost like 23s or some shit, I don't know, but I'm still it's kind of quiet. I don't know if you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear me. Hear me. No. Okay. But it's like it's really not shut. But it's not past 10 yet either. Let's see. I kind of like it though. Can you do like interpretive dance? And if you do interpretive dance, I'll be okay with it. Little manual pad, you know, little